Hey, what's up, guys? Class here. Just coming back from the gym. And today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about crash dieting or exercising for a certain goal. Sorry, I just walked away from a straight light and I'm realizing how dark it is. So, I'm going to Mexico in a couple weeks, and I thought to myself, I should get in some better shape for Mexico. Now, it wasn't that I was in bad shape as I am now. I just thought I could look better, right? So I kind of broke away from my regular routine that I was making good progress on, diet choices, stuff like that. And I started pushing myself to eat better and work out harder, work out more. And I put so much pressure on myself to achieve something in a shorter amount of time. And instead of just staying on my schedule, doing things the way I would normally do them, I set the bar way too high. I set it to an unachievable place. And for the past month, I had been working at losing weight, getting more built. I don't know what, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know why. I would have been happier if I had just gone with the body that I had or that I would have had. Instead, I put way too much pressure on myself, and I ended up making worse health decisions because of the stress, stress eating, stuff like that. And that's a dangerous place to be in for someone like me who, used to stress eat a lot. So, because of the unrealistic expectations I put on myself, I ended up eating worse the past month, working out less because I started to stress myself out. And ultimately, what I learned is that if I had just stayed on course, I would have been fine. But now, because I pushed myself too hard to do something unrealistic, I've actually gained weight and I've been working out less. So, just a little quick lesson that I've learned this past month, especially like Christmas time. I got myself that. Okay, there's a lot of baking, there's a lot of meals, a lot of gatherings, and it's getting really cold outside. So don't want to be outside. Don't want to go to the gym. But anyway, yeah, it's these always these tropical trips too that always get people wanting to look really good for Mexico or Cuba or wherever you're going, and then starting way too late, to have the body that you want on the beach or whatever. Start that ahead of time. Stay on course. Don't push yourself to unrealistic expectations, or you might end up with whiplash, and you'll deal with the other end of that when you break your mind, you break your spirit, right? So, um, yeah, I think that's all I have to say for today. Set goals, but be realistic with yourself, right? If something is unachievable, do the best you can and be happy with the results that you've earned. Classics out.